Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 11th, 2022. We are going to talk about Alibaba today. We want to see whether or not that massive runner that we've seen already in Alibaba, if it's going to continue, because if it is, then guess what? We want to participate. We want to win. We want to ride on the team that is actually winning in the game. Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions without being confused. So to those who are new, we all appreciate that. Then I want to join you. I want to welcome you all aboard. I want you all to join and participate in this journey as I continue to show you all how you can predict. Yes, I did say that. Predict prices without the confusion. I mean, there's so many other people out here right now wanting you all to lock up your money in these stocks for like 15 years. Like what in the world would people try to do that at on a regular basis, to where you're willing to keep money locked up for 15 years only just to get 20% out the market? You want to utilize your resources in the most beneficial way. You want to use it to bring in more money. You want to deploy those resources as often as possible to win. So I want to show you all how you can do it without the confusion. So I want you all to join me, and you can do that by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, sharing the video, and also tapping that bell notification. Now let's dive right on into my last price prediction, because I keep it a buck. I'm 100. I'm real. I'm going to show you all my good price predictions as well as the ones that go against me. And you may say, hey, your last video, your last price prediction in Alibaba, which was on May 23rd, went against you. It depends. You need to go back and actually listen to what I was saying on that video, because I already identified where the bottom was in Alibaba. You guys can see that horizontal line, right? The one that's right in front of you. I displayed that because I knew that this is where support was. I knew that this is where buyers have already been positioned. They've already shown us that they was there. So for us to not see price fall below that level, it's not a surprise to me. So following my video after May the 23rd, 2022, you guys can see it's been 3 days that the market in Alibaba actually came down to that particular level. Now, was it exact? No, it wasn't. Right? That's impossible to actually get to the penny where the market is going to go. But I was in the vicinity as to where I was seeing the support. And those 2 days is where the market in Alibaba actually came and bounced. And I'm quite sure I mentioned that on my video. So I knew that that was a price target for us to come in and nibble out the market in Alibaba. Now, did it go to $80? No, it didn't. Instead, it went to 82, right? That was around 5.6%. That was it. You had those 2 days to come in and grab 5.6% out the market before Alibaba started a massive run up. If you didn't grab that 5.6% on those 2 days, May the 24th and the 25th, and you were to get out the market now, you're down 26.5%. This is why I do what I do, because you need to know at what point would I need to come in and cut the play, right? So let me show you when you should have cut the play. Rather than continue to increase your losses, you could have actually stopped it, because the market was continuing showing us the strength. So let me show you. This is Alibaba on the 2-day, right? This is Alibaba on the 3-day. You guys can tell that right here on this 3-day price bar. Okay, let me point this arrow down to it, because I want to show you all. This one, just one 3-day price bar has literally took out the prior 2 3-day price bars to which the price in Alibaba was trying to go down. This was a change. Something happened. The market flipped from trying to push the price down in Alibaba to one to where it's trying to go up now. Different, right? These are things to let us know that the sentiment has changed, to where Alibaba was merely trying to go down to now let's bring some more life into the market in Alibaba and let's let the price go up. That is when you should have cut the play. And let's say you didn't cut it then. Well, the market was still giving you another indication that you're not going to see price go down. It was telling us this. And on this 3-day price bar, it was giving us the same type of idea. The market was trying to go up rather than going down. The answers are here. The problem is that people don't know what they're looking at. They're looking all around the earnings release. They're looking at what people are tweeting about. They're trying to think about Jerome Powell and how inflation and CPI and all of this stuff is going to play into price movement, when the whole time this 3-day price chart for Alibaba is telling you where the market is trying to go. So why do I need to focus on anything else? It's beyond me. Now, let's get rid of it though. Because the question that we're going to try to answer today is, can we see Alibaba continue the run up? Now, some things has changed since my last video. One, price has broken the trend in Alibaba. That is fantastic. That is great, because all the way here since October 27th, 2020, price in Alibaba has been trading below this line until now. Look at that. We are now trading outside the descending line. This trend has been intact for almost 2 years. Yes, we've been seeing price in Alibaba go down for 2 years. Now, that does not give us a means to celebrate right now. Why do I say that? Because I want to show you all this. Okay. You see that, right? This 3-day price bar in conjunction with the volume. What does this mean? Seriously, what does it mean? It means that the market is still selling. We've seen price in Alibaba go down for so long that it's going to be a hard job for the buyers to continue to keep price up. This is what this 3-day price bar is representing, is that people are now happy. The ones who bought Alibaba all the way back since the ending of 2021, beginning of 2022, they're just happy to see the price come back to where they've once bought it. And now they're trying to get up off their position. They're there. That is why the volume is high. And that is why the price bar closed off of the highs. People are selling. This is why this is not the opportunity to celebrate. Look at it on the weekly. So look, you guys can tell, as we've seen already, that there's nothing new from where price goes, right? Look at that. Do you see that? The market high in Alibaba was touched here all the way back since 2014. Look at that. Do you think there's enough momentum to break price above $120? Because right now it doesn't look like that. Could we begin to see a consolidational trading range in Alibaba? Because if so, then we need to identify that. We need to follow that. So what I'm going to do, since we are no longer trading outside of the descending line that I had drawn, I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm going to create what I suspect is going to be the start of a trading channel. Okay, you see that? Now, I'm going to bring it up just a little bit higher though, to where I really think the market in Alibaba is going to try to hit. Okay. So now, is now the opportunity to come in and buy the stock in Alibaba? What do you think? Is now the time to come in and buy the market, or should we wait to determine how much selling is still going to come through? Right? Should we wait? What do you think? Because that 3-day price bar that I've talked about already on the video gives me pause. Kind of makes me want to chill out and wait until see how much selling is still going to be involved over the next coming trading weeks. What do you think? Trying to show you all the hourly time frame to see if we still have weakness or strength on the chart. And right now, it's showing us some weakness. I really don't see any indication that the momentum is still on the buyer's side right now. I don't see it on these smaller time frames. Okay, I really don't see it. Now, how low do you think the price in Alibaba is going to go though? Can you see it on the chart? Is it 100? Is it 105? Is it $95? Where do you see market in Alibaba going? Now check this out. I like what happened though. Okay. I like what happened into the market in Alibaba. Now, this is not going to be a very smooth transition of us seeing the market in Alibaba go down for so long to where we're just going to see the market shoot up. There's going to be a lot of ebbs and flows. The market is going to be very erratic in terms of where price is going to go. Now, I'm going to continue to look for price in Alibaba to go up. But it's not going to be a pretty price action. It's going to be very rigid and ragged. I want to prepare you all for that. So we're going to continue to have a very wide range into where I'm looking for the price to go. Seeing that we've already have seen the price in Alibaba go up 40%, that gives me pause. But I'm going to look and anticipate price going up in Alibaba. But I'm not going to wait to drop a price because I want the market to fall a little bit lower. I just want it to fall a little bit lower to where I can see more demand or interest or people trying to come in and buy the stock. That's one thing about me. We saw a 40% run up. Cool. I want to let the price fall. I want to gauge where the buyers are at now. Now I got an idea, but I'm not for certain. The first area is going to be there around 100. Okay. That is going to be my first area. I already like this point right here. I like this area for buyers to show up, but I don't think they're going to show up in the beginning half of this upcoming trading week. So that first area that I'm going to look at is around 100. My second one is, like I said, is around 95. That is where I want to see the buyers. Okay. Now, I'm not going to drop a price prediction right now. Like I said, I'm looking for the market to fall lower. I want you all to do the same too. Just chill out. We don't have to be in a rush. The market will always be here. We will always have opportunities to come in and deploy our money to where we can actually win. You don't have to feel like you're missing out. Okay. So let's just wait. Just chill out and let's see where are the buyers at now. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.